The healthcare industry is undergoing significant change. And to succeed in change, it's important that one has access to a diversity of thoughts.
Now more than ever, we need leaders who are diverse, who are prepared to take on challenges, who are really prepared to think in different ways.
The industry is changing at such a rapid pace. It is imperative for all of us to understand what the future state will look like and how women will play into that.
No longer can someone be successful only by learning from individuals in their own discipline or even in their own company. And by becoming a member of HBA and becoming involved with HBA, you will be best positioned to be a force of change, effective change in the future.
The industry is changing dramatically, and that is why the HBA is charting a new decade of leadership. We want to become the trusted partner with companies and the key support to individuals to help them develop the leadership skills that can help them during this time of change.
HBA brings stakeholders together from across different sectors of healthcare so that we as HBA members have access to diversity of opinions, diversity of experiences.
They provide a forum for people to come together, to share ideas, to network, and just connect.
You not only get to meet other women who are incredibly interested in developing their careers, but you also get to mentor and share some of your expertise.
There's such a need for women to come together and learn from one another. And that's what mentoring can bring.
The HBA mentoring program, I think, is just a fantastic way for those of us who are growing on our careers to continue to stretch up as well as to stretch down to help encourage and foster career development.
I think that being a rising star is not just an award, it's a bit of a call to action as a woman leader.
Now that I have been recognized as a rising star, I suspect that this will be an opportunity for me to continue to inspire the women within my organization to reach for new heights.
HBA is a volunteer organization, and while we have a small paid staff, it's the volunteers that make all the difference.
You have the opportunity to step out of your comfort zone, which you might not necessarily have in the current job that you are employed in.
It's a fabulous way to really test your skills, sometimes outside of your job where you may not have had the opportunity to lead a team or manage a department.
And through that, in a safe environment, learn new skills surrounded by women that really want them to succeed.
You give back to the community in a way that you might not have ever thought about before.
HBA is more relevant than ever.
We are able to help develop and expand the skill sets of our memberships as well as the employees of our corporate partners throughout the globe.
The issues of managing diverse cultures, diverse language, managing across time zones come up. Gaining experience in how to work effectively in those circumstances is so valuable to people who are building their careers in this global economy.
We've got to think broader. We've got to think in terms of health economics, comparative effectiveness, account management, working as part of global matrix teams. All of these create new opportunities for people.
I joined the HBA because of the networking opportunities and to learn some things at the leadership conference. But what I've learned is that there's a lot more than that. There's a lot of warmth and even friendship that comes from the HBA.